Welcome back, everybody. Today is Friday the 2nd. I should know this, right? Right. So we're doing something a little different today. We have gone overseas to Stonehenge. It's not what I thought it would be. Yeah, you guys ready? Take two. Welcome to Stonehenge. I wouldn't even call it take two.
That's what I call it. Stay with Stonehenge too.
Yep, and then we're down in the Cook Islands. Yep, and then we're down in the Cook Islands.
Gum Dum Dum.
Gum Gum Dum. What is that from?
Night at the museum.
Okay, Night at the museum. So we're gonna go take a look at Stonehenge, and we're gonna touch Gum Gum Dum Dum.
You got Gum Gum Dum Dum.
Oh, Gum Gum Dum Dum. Okay, you ready for this?
I'm ready for this exciting adventure.
And what we're gonna do is then we're gonna ask some questions to the beautiful Deborah, because she has been to the real Stonehenge. Yeah, so here we go. Gum Gum Dum Dum. As we got people pulling up. No listen to music, no listen to music, no copyright strike. They're gonna get us on a copyright strike.
Maybe they won't hear it. It's not that loud.
Maybe in the wind. So we're in Ingram, right?
Texas,
right outside of Kerrville, and we're gonna see how this mic does. I don't think we're gonna have an issue with hers. We're gonna see what this mic does in the wind. So enough of me. Here is Stonehenge, and it's supposed to be 90% of what the real one is. But isn't the real one kind of like coming down in places?
It's way bigger and coming down in parts, yes.
Yeah.
And it's not all connected.
So I thought this was going to be different. I really did. It looks like everything out here is closed. But I mean, there's no graffiti really, so that's kind of cool.
It's a shocker.
Right? And it's, I don't know, an art. You know, the art stuff that I really don't get into. But I don't know, it's kind of cool.
It is. Well, there's a little graffiti, but...
Yeah, I think there's a kitty over there.
Meow.
Right? I heard that. Yeah, I don't know. You guys tell me what you think.
We can go over and read the sign.
Yeah, we can go read the sign. I think some Hill and somebody else is the one that built this. Yeah, I thought it would be a little different. We're right off of the road.
Main fair.
Yeah, right outside of
Ingram,
Texas. I mean, they're building a ballpark over here. It was a nice ride from New Braunfels, so. Huh. Okay, I'm a little disappointed.
Not everything in Texas is bigger.
I see what you did there. Your husband is a little bigger in Texas.
Stop. No, you're not.
Yeah, crazy. Okay. We will we'll go to the sign and read the sign.
I saw a sign.
Oh, keep singing.
No, I'm good.
Okay, she good. We'll meet you over here. All right, so we've walked over to the sign. They want donations, but it's all closed down. That's unique. I wonder if they check it. So it looks like here in '89 is when this was erected, constructed. And like I said, everything's closed. It looks like it's set on some decent property, and they had like a museum and places to go to get things. And yeah, I mean, we're in the heart of hill country. Beautiful little area, but it is temporarily closed. I wonder how long it's been closed. Well, you can see Kerr County native Doug Hill did the work, and you can definitely pause this and read what you want to read out of it. They are saying it's a Stonehenge 2, and they still have the sign that says come in and visit the main building. I wish that main building was up. It'd be something that we would definitely go. Okay, so my lovely wife is pulling up photos of Stonehenge when she visited Yeah, it's a little different, huh?
Mm-hmm.
That's not Stonehenge.
That's one of the huts they have there before you walk out to Stonehenge.
Oh, cool. So it's just in a
Out in the
big field.
Yep.
Hmm. That's cool. I dig it. And what is Stonehenge? I guess I should have. What they're saying, it could have been aliens built it. It could have been
all that sorts of
native,
yeah.
indigenous. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Oh, we have a giant squishing the Stonehenge.
I'm touching it.
You're touching it, huh?
Yep.
Did Stonehenge allow you to touch it? Are there going to be charges pressed?
No.
Okay. So I think we're gonna leave it at that. I think it's kind of cool. I wish there was more to it, but you know, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna look at some oddities here while we're in the great state of Texas. And this, I think, is super cool. I did one of these clay things in art class, but my eye didn't figure things out right. So my nose, the bridge of the nose, I made it not have a forehead. But yeah, pretty cool. And then of course, oh, we got, look at that one, it's purple. We're gonna go get her. Yep, come here.
Purple punch?
Purple punch.
Where?
Right there. She's gonna say, that's not purple. Oh, it's purple. See, I got one. She didn't say, now it's blue. It's purple. Oh, they're rocking the Rockford Fosgate sound system too on that one. That's an expensive bike. All right, so I'll be back. She's good at removing stuff. She just informed us. Hopefully she does not remove me so there's video evidence. If I disappear, she's good at removing things.
Whatever.
So here is the last dum dum
I
drum
can't tell you what it's from.
Yeah, it's cool. I like his little Mexican style hat.
That's what I'm thinking. I think it's more of a Mexican type.
Yeah, a Mayan.
Yeah, that's the word.
So I think on that, we're just gonna let everybody go. We might finish this up down the road, but if not, stay safe. Oh no, first we gotta do, give us a big thumbs up, stay safe, see you down the road. All right, we're back. I think she's gonna get some, I don't know, pictures maybe? Art. I think the wind catches it with those little cups, and then the weight on the bottom is what brings it back up, and then the wind blows it back. It's pretty cool little grounds here, to be honest with you. It's sad that it's all locked up. We have the Guadalupe River back here in the background. Yeah, the Guadalupe. And we're right outside Kerrville, where those big floods were. Oh, this is also in motion as well. No, it has a string tied to it or something, might be stopping it. Oh, there it goes. Yeah, depends on the structure where it turns. So very cool. I would have loved to have seen this thing. I would have come out here. Bottles are moving over there. Yeah. Oh, it's one of those things. Kind of like a Joshua tree, but not really. Don't know what they're called. So I guess on that, we're going to be leaving everybody. We'll see you down the road.